I know this might be a little hard to hear, but you need to stop researching buying a new camera. I know, it's fun and you want to do it, but that one decision you're making is probably killing your chances of ever succeeding, or worse yet, even starting at YouTube. I know, because I did the same thing. I followed all the standard advice about gear and upgrades and doing it right, and the result wasn't better videos, it was just more delay. What turned things around for me wasn't a new camera at all, it was realizing I'd been optimizing the wrong problem. So in this video, I'll show you what actually matters in filming, why your phone is probably enough for you right now, and the number one mistake most people make that keeps them stuck before they even ever upload. Let's just get into that primary mistake no creators make. It's treating preparation as progress, or more specifically, confusing gear optimization with readiness. That's what keeps potential creators researching new cameras instead of actually recording anything, tweaking settings constantly instead of actually publishing, and waiting for the right setup instead of actually building your reps. There is no one upgrade that will remove the discomfort from being on camera. And I know all that preparation feels good. It feels responsible. It feels productive. Trust me, it is neither of those. You know what you get into when you prepare. And then that preparation gives you dopamine, it gives you that certainty, it gives you a sense of control, and that feels good. Whereas publishing is all about uncertainty, exposure, and feedback. You just lose that control. And that's scary. So the brain, and this is just the way people are wired, naturally chooses the safer task and just kind of justifies it as being productive, and you're just doing it right. And then that's the trap. You don't get clarity before action, you get clarity from the action. No amount of camera research teaches you how you sound on camera, how you pace a sentence, where you ramble, and what your audience responds to. Only the repetitions that help you get used to it do that. Once you stop treating preparation as progress, trust me, everything gets a lot simpler. And here is what actually matters in shooting good footage. Number one in the visuals of footage, and I know what those of you who know are thinking, is light. Bad lighting ruins everything, especially for phones. Phones are notoriously bad in bad lighting. Lighting can completely change the mood of a scene, or straight up ruin it if you don't know what you're doing. Fixing lighting is like a visual, oh wow. It's just such an amazing improvement. So the second thing is distance. And no one ever seems to talk about this one. How close you are to the camera. It matters a lot for your framing. It matters a lot because the farther away you are, if you're using the onboard mic, you will sound hollow and terrible. The farther away the camera is, the more you lose detail and you lose your energy. The farther away from the camera you are, the less that gets conveyed through. So distance matters a great deal. The third thing is stability. No one wants a shaky video. Unless, well, I was shaking there, not the video, but you know what I mean. Unless you're shooting some weird found footage Blair Witch style project, you want your video to be as stable as possible. If you're doing a talking head video, you can probably get away with propping your camera up on books, just kind of wedging it somewhere. But if you really need, there are plenty of very easy to use, cheap phone tripods. And that's all you need to keep your camera stable. If you're out and about, selfie stick and e-stabilizer. Shaky footage just screams amateur. It could actually make people physically ill, and it will make people click away like that. And then number four, and this is where that little snippet from those who know what number one is. Number four is actually audio. And I can hear now, Steve, audio isn't visual and footage. Yes, I know, but it is so important. It fits in here too. It is probably, if not the first, one of the top two reasons someone will just check out of a video. Think about it. You are watching this video right now, but are you watching it? You might not be. You might just be listening. And bad audio, nails on a chalkboard, something sounding hollow and far away, something being too loud, the body doesn't like it, the brain doesn't like it, it wants to get rid of it, and it will get rid of it like that. I know I keep snapping. I don't know, I'm pumped, I guess. So, if you're just using your phone, no microphone or anything like that, the closer you are to the microphone, the better you will sound. This kind of plugs right into distance and a little bit into stability. It's just important. And then we come to number 5. The 5th way you can improve your footage, that's the camera. If all the other things don't work, that's when you might want to think about a new camera. But still, in this list, dead last. Just real quick, if you are getting value out of the video, subscribe. Really appreciate it. Because I am in my first videos, and your first videos are when you build your reps. They aren't, you know, these magnum opus videos. They aren't your auditions for the world. They are you getting used to making videos and putting them on YouTube. You getting to know what it feels like, you getting to know how to do it, and hopefully, with my help, how to do it well. Just remember, momentum, in this case, beats motivation. Once you get started, it's a lot easier to keep going. And just so you know, I did shoot this video on a phone, a Samsung Z Fold 7, with the basic camera app. No fancy bells or whistles. I'm not shooting in log. I'm not doing any fancy color grading or anything. And these reasons should be obvious. This isn't a flex. It's just to show you how it works. And this isn't because phones are magic. This is because phones are set up so they can be used without even thinking about it. They're set up for grandparents wanting to take videos of their grandkids at their birthday parties. They assume bad lighting, they assume faces, they assume movement, and they assume the user doesn't know what they're doing. And all of this works in your favor to keep getting a video from shooting to publishing frictionless. And yes, there are settings in phones that will help you get to a good quality video, and we will go into how to do that in this video right here. My name has been Steve, and I look forward to seeing you there.